Hey Togan, I'm not recording. Be scared.
Oh man.
Oh boy. You're gonna see a bunch of floor until we get to where we're trying to go. Hey. Welcome to real life, y'all. The hands. Hi.
Reveal. Hi.
Yo. This feels strange. Vlogging. So it's my birthday today, guys.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. How do you feel about being recorded in not a TikTok? Can't speak.
Weird, but I know I should probably get used to it since I'm gonna like start streaming as soon as I get a PC. So it's kind of funky.
Hopefully the audio doesn't suck.
That would be awful.
That would be awful.
That would be awful.
It is my birthday. We are here at Build-A-Bear. Cause why the heck not? Ha 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 ha. Yo. We're in Build-A-Bear. Oh, you like Fluffy? Fluffy?
Yes.
Let's get a light fairy together. I was just gonna record Toya. Boop. You are now being filmed. Look at that. So much fluff.
Alright, can I get a drink, big twirl?
Yeah. Good job, you twirled. Get it. Hey,
I live over here.
Dogan. Ah, look at mine. I got to light fury. Rar. 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 We have finished. What did you name yours?
Destiny.
Yeah. Mine's Delilah. Do 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 do. Look at that light fury.
It wasn't like that.
Hold on. There you go. Now I can see you. My camera sucks. Pretzel dogs are supreme. What are you doing? Pretzel dogs? Pretzel dogs. Whatever pretzel dogs does. Now show your attire for today. Yeah. Exclusive producer.
Dream merch and more dream merch.
Do you know? Love you too. You're pretty. I get to compliment you. Haha. Well, she hates me now. We're gonna be doing an escape room soon, but I can't record in that. So,
Hooray.
hooray. They said we couldn't. And it's a horror thing. So I'm gonna tell you guys how that goes after.
We'll give you a rundown.
Scaredy cat. I'm gonna record you TikToking at all. I'm recording you. Excuse me. No. Don't reveal me. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do do do.
You think I could just be entertaining on a whim?
Yes. I'm totally not using you for I'm totally not using you for clickbait.
Oh, I'm clickbait now.
No. Of course not. Of course not. You know, we were thinking
Dream used to work at Apple. There you go.
you are the Dream SMP fact machine.
But that is very true. Ask me a fact and I probably know it.
Ah. Child. How dare you forget your wallet? Oh. Okay, I guess we're holding hands now. Don't tell Echo. Yo. Where are we?
It's one of my favorite stores.
I've never been in one of these.
Haha. I see it.
Oh my gosh, it's one of those Japanese soda things.
Oh yeah, they sell a lot of like Japanese.
Bro. Pink Oreos.
Sandwich cookies.
Yes.
Japanese.
Japanese.
It's a lot of Japanese culture.
Bro. It's the furry no-no. What is that? I'm scared. Don't pinch my nose. Oh gosh. I almost just knocked stuff over. Shut up.
I saw spoilers for the most recent chapter.
Don't spoil my
I'm not
audience.
going to. I just need this stuff.
I do need this stuff.
Hey,
Oh my gosh.
let's go.
Hello.
Let's go.
Let me see. I have that.
Wanna go on a hot topic?
A what? Ooh, Harry Potter necklaces. Oh.
Yes, please. I love those.
Oh. 500 subscribers and I'll wear a skirt on camera. Wear cat ears on camera.
I will.
Yes.
They're hair clips. I can wear them.
They're a bee.
Bees.
You have to now.
Don't have my wallet.
Get this for Togan. We'll raise money.
Did you know you've been pronouncing it wrong?
I have been.
Togan? Yeah, it's Touganloo.
Tugan.
It's like Toya, too.
I'm just gonna say Toya.
Me calls you out on camera. You.
Shut up. Uh-oh. I went right past the mirror. We're just gonna edit that out.
There we go.
It's a mirror. I cannot be in the forbidden zone.
God, look. Look. They're real.
I'm real.
Hot topic changed my mind.
Oh my god. I want a Hot Topic aesthetic, but I don't. I'm recording this on my phone. Donate to me so I can get an actual camera. Thank you. Oh. Have you watched Dragon Slayer?
No,
Yes.
not yet. Everyone yells at me for it.
I need to too.
I have to too.
We should watch it together.
Oh my god.
Bendy.
Where's Echo?
We were planning on bringing Echo, but no.
I couldn't.
R.I.P.
Where's Echo? We need
Where's Echo when we need her?
Find her husband.
Oh shoot. We should probably, get back.
I'm obsessed with my hair. You should know this by now.
I don't. My viewers don't, but now they do. You still have not introduced yourself at all. I am.
I'm Touganloo. I think I've been mentioned on the channel once.
Once. Only once.
Touganloo. It's the same on all socials.
She's more popular than me.
On one platform.
Still more popular than me, even in Instagram.
But that doesn't.
You can't deny
In
it.
retrospect, you're more popular than I.
No, I'm not.
I haven't cosplayed in so long, man. It's
Bro, you have 1K on TikTok. You have 300 plus on Instagram. At least. See?
I'll make a small little thing to put in the corner that has my social logs. There you go. Be happy. Be happy.
Hands. I am a lost soul. Yes. Among Us. Among Us. We are now waiting for the escape room. I don't know whether I can disclose their name, or else my location will be revealed.
That would be sad.
Sad. Well, it's not like I live here.
No. Okay.
Sad.
Sad face.
Hold on, wait. Just duck away. There you go. Starting soon, boys. How does that make you feel? That's not really a feeling.
Sure it is. Heck. Really? We don't know what to do. No one knows what to do.
Well, damn. mom's right there. Hi. We failed.
There was like 17 more steps.
And Morse code.
There was Morse code.
I did Sudoku.
That is true.
I
did
did.
do
I
Sudoku.
did. I got the first 2 numbers right.
First 2 numbers right, but I was sitting there like, what? And then she came in when our time ran out, and she was like, by the way, there was Morse code in this, and I was like,
What?
this was supposed to be the easiest room here. Like, jeez.
Well, we are done with our mall journey. How does that make you feel, Toby? I still said it wrong.
Still lost over the room, but like,
Rest in peace.
how are we supposed to get that?
Being smart.
Quite obviously, I'm not, so.
Well, say bye to my channel.
Bye, chat.